So today we're going to be looking at the practice exam for your exam that is on Tuesday. So there are only 4 questions, but the bank reconciliation has the bank reconciliation part and then journal entries. So you might want to notice that it counts 20 points. So you really need to know how to do that. All right, so for bank reconciliation, remember you do balance per bank on one side, and balance per books on the other. And then you start working your way through. All right, the bank balance is $55.80. The book balance is $2,900. All right, then outstanding checks total $1,610, and deposits in transit are $320. So we add deposits in transit to the bank side. And we subtract outstanding checks from the bank side. All right, the bank statement shows a service charge of $10 and interest earned of $8.80. Now, I'm just going to go through and do pluses and minuses. You're more than welcome to group them together if that is how you want to do it. It's up to you. All right, so both these two are going to go on the book side because they've been recorded by the bank, but I need to get them into the books. So we're going to have plus interest revenue because it's interest that they earned, and minus the service charge of 10. All right, next, the bank statement includes a $500 deduction for a check drawn by Multi-State Freight Company. Rivera notified the bank of this error. So basically, the bank took money out of their account for a check that wasn't theirs. So that's a mistake on the bank's part. The bank originally subtracted it out, so it needs to be added back to the bank side. And it's a bank error of $500. They need to add $500 back. All right, now the bank collected a $1,500 note receivable from a customer. $1,450 was principal and $50 was interest. So the bank collected it, but we don't have it in our books yet. So we need to add it to our books. And I'm going to break it into 2 because it's the principal. So we have a note receivable of $1,450 and interest on the note of $50. All right, and then finally, the bank statement includes 2 charges for NSF checks from customers. One is for $370 and the other is for $110. So this is somebody paid you with a check, you deposited their check, it didn't clear the bank, and then it bounced back out. So now you need to subtract it back out of your books because you had added it in. So now you need to get it out. So NSF checks, and I'm just going to add them together. So minus $480. All right, then you need to add and subtract everything to make sure that it all adds up.